So I finally got my Pressbrake up and running today, and it's still quite a huge learning curve, and I've got a pile of tooling here that came with it. So I'm going to modify this cart so that it's a hydraulic cart that lifts up, so I'm going to modify this cart so I've got some shelves on it specifically for that, but we'll go back and have a look at the brake. It's been retrofitted with quite a modern touchscreen control in the last couple of years, and the technician was here this morning and we've got it up and running, and I'm very happy with it. These guards don't exist any longer. They're not functional, and the control box is a mess. If I open this, a couple of modern servos up here, and there's just a mess of wiring everywhere. And the Icon 6-axis controller here, we're only using 2 axis. So if you take that cover off, it looks like a string of metre TH CADs actually. I've got a couple of a little bit of extra work done here just to tidy up some wiring. There's some breakers for mains power. One of those is for what we call in Australia a GPO, a general purpose outlet, and also a work light. And I changed the sparkies to change the fluorescent light to be an LED light. So there's heaps of light here in the control. So if we go back here now, I've got the back of the machine off here. It's quite a simple, cheap little shuttle PC in the back running Windows 7. So what my plan is, if I can get it going, is to replace this with an Odroid 2 and the touchscreen. So I've ordered the touchscreen and I'm trying to install Windows on the front, Windows 10. And the tech has told me how to get about doing some stuff. So let's see if we can run a job. So I'm going to pick up an old job and we're going to find a job ID. Find a job. Can't be in a hurry here. This one here. Select that job, and the part comes up on the screen. So you basically just draw the part with your finger, and then change your dimensions to agree with whatever your drawing is. And we're going to run that job, and all the axes up here are bright green. There's a correction factor here, and the various angles will appear on the y-axis here. So basically press this again a second time. It's now green, and we just use the foot pedal from this point forward, and I'll just put my foot in there and we'll see what happens. And you'll see the control, the axis moves back and forth, and bending happens. This is a bottom-up folder. So from a bottom-up folder, it's hard to actually see, but maybe from here you'll see that the bottom of the machine moves up. So there you have it. VMN's Pressbrake. So we'll have a look here now. I've got a piece of material in here which is just a bit of a leftover, and I'll just balance it there so I've got 2 hands. And if I put my foot on the handle, on the foot brake, we've got it set for a 90-degree bend if I run the job. This time. And the mess over here, we should, the technician's left it a little bit under bending, which he said was best. So we can use a correction factor there on each job just to straighten it up a bit. So it probably needs another little couple of mil there. And there you have it. That's the VMN CNC press brake.